Hi, I'm here to talk today about how to balance tender self acceptance with the desire to grow and change. And I would like to introduce the Kiwi metaphor as a context for understanding how we can love and appreciate ourselves as we are. So, bird is native to New Zealand, and because New Zealand is an island, for millions of years the Kiwi bird had no threats except for owls. And so the kiwi bird evolved in such a way where it didn't need to fly. So the kiwi bird has little teeny tiny wings hidden underneath its feathers that you can't see. Its bones are too dense actually to be able to fly. And the kiwi bird can't see very well and relies on a sense of smell and a really keen sense of hearing. And again, kiwi bird adapted well to the millions of years it lived on the island without predators. Now comes the 13th century. Humans come to the island. Humans bring animals, and suddenly there's mammals, including the humans that are predators, and cats and dogs and foxes. And now suddenly kiwi bird is threatened, even certain species endangered because the circumstances the kiwi bird finds itself in don't match the way it evolved. And truthfully, if you were to compare the kiwi bird to, an average bird, you might think, something's wrong with this kiwi bird. If you considered the kiwi bird's evolutionary process and conditions it evolved in, you'd say the kiwi bird is perfectly kiwi. So the kiwi bird is a metaphor for us humans. I like to say, in our home, we like to say we are all Kiwi birds, meaning that each of us has been born with a unique wiring. We have unique strengths and struggles, and we each grew up in unique conditions. And so every human being is going to have relative strengths and relative weaknesses. And if you were to compare an individual human being to the ideal human being, they would look like they were flawed. If you were to compare that human being to the person with the wiring and the conditions that they grew up in, they are perfectly imperfect. And so we want to balance the desire to grow and change, which is wholesome, with some self acceptance. Remember, we are all Kiwis.